So welcome to this outline. Now for this, now we'll be seeing formulas and functions. So some people mix both of them together, all right? But then formulas are different from functions. So let's start with first of all, which is formula. And for formula, we'll be looking at add, subtract, multiply, and divide. So let's move on to our Excel worksheet. So for you to add any number, for you to start your any mathematical equation, all of that, you have to always begin with an equal sign. You always have to begin with an equal sign. So you come to where you want your result to show, press your equals, all right? So to do your addition, click on the one you want to add, put your plus, then click on the next one you want to add. And then when you're done, you press on your enter. So it does the addition for you. So let's do the next one now. Put your equals first. Remember to put your equals first. Click on this cell that you want to add and put your plus. Click on this one and press on your enter. So let me rename this cell as add. Let me name this as minus. Let me call this multiply. And let me call that divide. So now I have added this now. So if I want to do the whole thing here, if I want to get the answer, instead of doing one after the other, I can just use my flash share by clicking on this. Now bring your cursor to this point where it turns to plus. Double click on it. It fills it up for you. Alright? It fills this answer for you. So it does the maths for you already, okay? Let's go to the minus. Now the same thing here. Put your equal sign. Click on the cell you want to subtract. So this minus, put your minus this and press your enter. You can repeat the process, but then let's do what I did before. Flash fill it, click on this one and double click on it, so it fills it up for you. All right, so now let's see how to multiply. Put your equal signs. The number I want to multiply this. Multiply, you use your asterisk. All right, asterisk, shift and asterisk this. So multiply A2 by B2 and press your enter. So you have that. So go back there again, press on your plus button and you have that. So finally divide. So put your equals. I want to divide this cell. Put your // by this cell and press your OK. So you have that now. Double click and it fills that in for you. So that is how to use it. That's general, just how to use your add, your minus, multiply, and divide. But then we have something better which can do this job for us at once without going through the stress, and that's where we move on to functions. Let's see now the first one.